Back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to enable focus mode on Teams meeting. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to enable focus mode in Teams meeting, all you can do is simply go to Teams. Once you're in your Teams, you need to simply join in one meeting. Once you've joined in a meeting, you can simply click on the three dots, that is the more option in the meeting controls, and simply select focus on content. This hides the gallery of participants, allowing you to focus on the content being shared. You can also use keyboard shortcut called Ctrl plus Shift plus F on Windows or Linux, or Command Shift plus F on MacBook. So by doing this, you can enable focus mode on Teams meeting. You can opt for a full screen mode, and you can use keyboard shortcuts and note on availability as well. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon. See you!